8538. How is a quality system assured? A. By an independent organization. B. By a dependent organization. C. By an internal reporting and auditing system. The correct answer is C. A quality system is typically assured through an internal reporting and auditing system. This allows the organization to identify and address any issues or inconsistencies in the quality system and make necessary improvements. However, some organizations may also seek independent certification or accreditation from an external organization to further validate the quality of their products or services. 8539. According to Dr. James Reason, there are two types of human failure which can occur. They are A. Active and latent. B. Mental and physical. C. Proper and improper. The correct answer is A. Dr. James Reason, a prominent expert in human error and safety, distinguishes between two types of human failures, active and latent. Active failures are errors or actions that occur directly in the course of a task or activity, whereas latent failures are underlying conditions or factors that contribute to an error or accident. Identifying and addressing both types of failures is crucial in promoting safety and preventing accidents. 8540. Many areas of aviation have shifted their focus from eliminating error to A. Preventing and managing error. B. Identifying and mitigating error. C. Reducing and containing error. The correct answer is A. In aviation, it is recognized that eliminating error altogether is not realistic or achievable. Instead, the focus has shifted to preventing and managing errors. This involves implementing error prevention strategies and tools to minimize the risk of errors occurring, as well as having systems in place to detect and manage errors when they do occur. The goal is to create a safety culture in which errors are acknowledged as a normal part of human performance and are addressed in a proactive and constructive manner. 8541. When we think of aviation safety in a contemporary way, human error is A. The starting point. B. The ending point. C. The intervention point. The correct answer is A. Another idea for looking into and assessing maintenance issues is the SHELL paradigm. The abbreviation stands for software, hardware, environment, and life's wear, with the human being as the central focus of everything. 8542. All of the following are consequences of human error, except A. Mental stressor. B. Catastrophic. C. Personal injury. The correct answer is A. Mental stressor is the exception because it is not a direct consequence of human error. However, while human error can indeed cause mental stress, it is not typically considered a direct consequence. Mental stress can be a secondary effect that arises from the fear of making mistakes or the pressure of working in a high-risk environment, but it is not a direct result of a specific error.